Take a walk through neighborhoods in our region in late summer or early autumn, and when you look into the garden at the plants that are growing there, you're almost certain to see some of this, the Miscanthus or Maiden Grass. Widely grown because it is so reliable and easy to grow. Drought tolerant once it's established, not normally browsed by deer, which is very important in today's world, and of course at that time of year producing big feathery plumes of flowers that people enjoy so much. Really good plants. But the problem is that some forms have a tendency to seed into the landscape. Now I hasten to add right away that here at Overdevest Nurseries we don't grow any of those forms. Nevertheless, we feel it's very important that we take a responsible attitude and somehow be able to enjoy the benefits of growing Miscanthus, but without the concern for them seeding into the landscape. And that's why I'm glad to tell you that today, with the modern developments of science, Dr. Wayne Hanna and Brian Swartz at the University of Georgia have developed this fantastic variety known as Miscanthus Scout. For here's one now that gives us all the benefits of growing Miscanthus, but without us having to worry about it seeding into the landscape. It grows about 5 to 6 foot high by only about 2 or 3 foot wide. It's got a very distinctive vase shape, not unlike the variety that's commonly known as Miscanthus Gracillimus. And of course at that time of year it produces big feathery plumes that are a kind of creamy pink color and in time turn to a glistening bronze that looks so nice in the afternoon and evening autumn sunlight. Just a beautiful plant that's as easy to grow as any of the other forms. But the difference is that this one comes as part of the WorryFree collection. That's why we're really pleased to say that it was a certified plant in 2019 within the Handpicked for You program, showing that here's a variety that you can plant with confidence, enjoy all the benefits of this fantastic ornamental grass, but still then not have to worry about it seeding into the landscape. That's why we're delighted to tell you that this Miscanthus Scout is an exciting new variety and one that we hope you will enjoy growing too.